Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to the session of learning. Today, I will give you a know-how how to prepare for a particular subject. I will take today, for example, subject chemistry. Chemistry for the 10th class. Studying and preparing for the 10th grade chemistry subject requires a structured approach to understanding and retain the concepts effectively. I am here going to tell you step by step that is how a 10th class student can study and prepare for chemistry. Now, first of all, what is needed? First of all, you need to organize your study space. My dear students, find a quiet, well lit, and comfortable place to study where you can focus on without distractions. That is a piece of calm place you should select. Next is review the syllabus. You are going to prepare for chemistry. Now, you should familiarize yourself with chemistry syllabus to understand which topics you need to cover. Then you gather the study materials. That is, you should collect that you have all the materials required for this study or not, including your chemistry notebooks, class notes, stationery, and any reference books or online resources that may help you. Next is you create a study schedule. Develop a study schedule that allocates specific time slots for chemistry. And next, consistency is essential. Here is the sample schedule. That is how you can make schedule. Suppose you start with the Monday, 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. You select this period for atomic structure. That is, you properly understand what is atom, what is the structure of atom, and others related properties, elements which are present in an atom. You keep this time slot for atomic structure. Then Tuesday, 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Chemical reactions. Again, next day, you keep this period for chemical reactions. How chemical reactions take place? What is the chemical reactions and what is the outcome of the chemical reactions? Then Wednesday, again the same time slot, 4 to 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. You keep this time slot for the study of acids and bases. Then Thursday, same time slot, 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. You keep this time slot for periodic table. Friday, 4 to 4:30 p.m. 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Chemical equations. Saturday. Now you change the time slot. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. You practice problems. What are the problems related to all these work which you have studied during these days? Then Sunday, rest or review weak areas. Sunday, you keep Sunday for the rest or you review in which areas you are feeling difficulties in understanding. Now break down topics. Divide the chemistries into smaller, manageable topics. For example, topics might include chemical bonding, acid-base reactions, metals and non-metals, etc. You break down this one that you will study in this way. That is, what is chemical bonding, how it takes place, proper understanding of this chemical bonding, then acid-base reactions, how it takes place. You also check the examples of acid-base reactions for understandings. Then about metals and nonmetals, what are nonmetals, etc. Active learning. Now, again, here you will take, instead of passive reading, actively engage with the material. That is, summarize what you have learned in your own words. Create flashcards for important definitions and formulas, and teach the content to someone else also, a family member or friend. This will inculcate in your mind all the understandings what you have studied when you teach someone else. It is very important for proper understanding of the subject. Now you can use visual aids. Chemistry often involves visual concepts, like use diagrams, charts, illustrations to understand and remember the complex ideas. This is called visual aids. Then you practice with exercises. Chemistry is a subject that benefits from the practice. Practice is required. Work through practices, that is, you find out the exercises and problems related to the topics you have covered. Your textbook and additional practice books can help in solving the problems related to text. Now, take notes. While studying, take organized notes. Highlight key concepts, reactions, equations, and important chemical formulas. These notes will be valuable for quick revision. When you quickly go through all these notes, then it will you will immediately remember that you have already studied these things and you know these things. So everything will recall in your mind. Revise regularly. Periodically revise the topics you have studied to reinforce your memory. Your schedule should include time for regular revision. Very important, because when you revise, then everything is recorded in your mind and you keep on remembering, and understanding will also increase. You should also seek help. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for clarification if you find any topic challenging or confusing, or you are not understanding. Chemistry is a complex subject, and it is okay to seek help for proper understanding and proper remembering all the reactions, all the, you can say, equations, etc. This is very essential. Now, you should use technically and wisely. Explore educational apps, online tutorials, and digital resources to supplement your understanding of chemistry concepts. This is very helpful. Practice past papers. If available, practice with previous year's question papers. This helps you become familiar with exam format and types of the questions asked. And this will also give you proper understanding that how you can answer a particular questions. Because if you have previous year questions, then naturally you will get proper answer of these questions. And when you prepare and understand how to answer these questions properly, then you can very well give answers of the questions asked in the exam, coming exam. Take short breaks. Avoid long uninterrupted study sessions. Take short breaks, 10 to 15 minutes every hour to stay fresh and alert. This will refresh you, energize you, and you will remain very active. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude towards your studies. Chemistry can be challenging, but with persistence and a positive mindset, you can excel and you can win. So always be positive. Stay healthy. Prioritize your health by maintaining a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and staying physically active. Do exercise, do meditation, try to keep your mind calm and healthy. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. This is very important. My dear students, you should remember that consistent and focused study habits will help you excel in chemistry. You should adjust your study approach as needed and do not hesitate to seek guidance or clarification whenever it is necessary. Chemistry can be a fascinating subject when approached with the right mindset and study techniques. You will have a very clear cut idea about the chemistry, and this will also make you very active, and this is an enjoyable subject. You will enjoy in learning what is in the chemistry and how to apply in your daily life, because in our daily life everything is related to chemistry. In this way, prepare and you will find that you have got proper understanding of this subject. Thank you very much.